These are the hardest goddamn ball joints I've ever had to remove in my life. First one took me about 2 hours. Smoke the fucking thing. Oh, it's on fire. Oh, look, it's on fire. Hey-oh. Oh, thanks. That's one. All day on these stupid things. Finally done and replaced. I have to run a lowering ball joint since these have such a heavy drop on them. But from what I've read online, these like 60s Volkswagen front ends, they're always kind of a pain in the ass. I don't know that they're ever as bad as my experience was, but I think they're usually bad. The good news is it took whatever, 5 or 6 hours to get them out. It takes about 10 minutes to put them back in. They press right back in. So with everything cleaned up with, you know, a Scotch-Brite or a piece of sandpaper even, everything just runs right back in real quick. And now you can tell everything's super solid. Before, everything was just flopping everywhere. So I'm excited to get them back on the car. I gotta throw some new brakes on before I do. It's a lot easier to work on your brakes when you can hold on to them, you know, instead of laying underneath the car. So I'm gonna do all that while I got them out. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, all that bullshit they tell you to do at the end of videos. Peace.